The cleaning of the AMI SAC requires the following material. To do the general maintenance steps or to take the instrument out of operation, perform the following steps. Stop sample flow and follow the instructions. Turn off the instrument. If the flow controller option is installed, the inlet strainer has to be cleaned. Unscrew the cap and remove the inlet strainer from the flow. After removing dirt, reassemble the inlet strainer. To clean the cuvette, follow the instructions on the screen. Wait until the system has completed the automatic drainage. Open the photometer housing. Unscrew the knurled screws and pull the cuvette away from the base plate. Clean the slightly protruding quartz window. If necessary, clean cuvette tube with a soft cloth. Remount the cuvette and close the photometer. The manual chemical cleaning has to be performed when necessary by using the grab sample function. Fill the cleaning solution into the grab sample bottle. Skip input of unit and sample ID by scrolling down and follow the instructions on screen. Wait until the system has completed the automatic drainage. Screw the bottle with the cleaning solution onto the holder and swing it upwards. Open the tab. The manual cleaning takes about 10 minutes. After the procedure is finished, some of the liquid might still be left inside the bottle. Swing the bottle down and unscrew from the holder. Close the grab sample valve on the flow cell block and start the sample flow again. Discard the recording by pressing exit.